Hi everyone and welcome back to our YouTube channel. This video will be a tutorial on the Constant Contact affiliate program. We're going to be talking about how you can make money from Constant Contact, as it is one of the most popular email marketing platforms out there. With over 600,000 customers, they dominate the small business email marketing space, and because their platform is so widely used, there is a huge money-making potential in their affiliate program. So in today's video, we're going to break down how their affiliate program works and how you can sign up to be an affiliate, and then most importantly, how you can drive targeted traffic to your affiliate links to start earning commissions. Alright, so first things first, what exactly is Constant Contact? Constant Contact is an all-in-one email marketing platform built for small businesses and entrepreneurs. It allows you to easily create professional-looking email campaigns, build email lists, track analytics, and automate workflows. Some of the most important key features include beautiful email templates, drag-and-drop email builder, contact management, and email automation. So essentially, it has everything a small business needs for effective email marketing. Now, in terms of the pricing, Constant Contact offers two main plans. You have the Lite plan, which starts at $12 per month, and the standard or the recommended one at $35 per month. They also have the premium one for $80 a month, but the first two are the most common ones and they will probably make us the most money. Now, both of the plans come with a 14-day free trial, which is an important detail that we'll come back to later. So in summary, Constant Contact provides a powerful but easy to use email marketing platform for small businesses. It has all of the features that you would need and their pricing is very reasonable. Now that we know more about what Constant Contact is, let's discuss their affiliate program specifically. Constant Contact actually runs an awesome affiliate program, and the way to join it is very simple. All you have to do is type into Google Constant Contact affiliate program, click on the first link that shows up on Google, and then you'll be presented with a long page of terms and conditions to make sure to read all of them and then accept them if you do. After that, you will be redirected to fill in the application form. It's very straightforward. They're going to ask for a few basic information as well as the information for the business that you're running so that they know how exactly you'll be driving traffic. An immensely important thing about their program is that they will pay you $105 for every paid essentials account. You'll also be getting paid $5 for every free trial sign-up. And there is no limit to the commissions that you can make. So essentially, you will be earning $5 in commissions for every time somebody signs up for a free trial. They don't need to pay for anything. If they just sign up for a free trial, you'll be earning money, and if, in a better case, they end up paying for an account, you'll then be earning $105. So potentially you could make $110 per customer that gets the free trial and then converts to an actual paid account. And as you can see, there's a huge earning potential here simply by driving new leads to Constant Contact. And the best part here is, as an affiliate, you don't need to create any product, provide customer support, or even have a Constant Contact account yourself. You simply have to drive traffic to your affiliate link and collect the commissions when people sign up. It's a true passive income stream. There are many options for generating traffic as a Constant Contact affiliate, but in my experience, the two best platforms are YouTube and Pinterest. So let's start with YouTube. YouTube is the second search engine in the entire world next to Google, and it's full of people actively looking for solutions, products, and services to meet their needs. This makes it the perfect place to connect with viewers searching for email marketing help and introduce them to Constant Contact as a solution. So some examples of related keywords that you can target include Constant Contact review or Constant Contact tutorial, Constant Contact email marketing, the best email marketing platforms, and tons more. Each one of these keywords gets thousands of searches per month, indicating high demand. So all you need to do is to create YouTube videos optimized around these topics, provide a bit of educational value, highlight the benefits of Constant Contact, and then link people to your affiliate URL in the description. So no fancy equipment needed here. You can easily create screen capture style videos with a tool like ScreenFlow, and then you don't even need to show your face on camera. So the key is providing helpful information related to email marketing while positioning Constant Contact as the best solution. This content-based approach is best for organic search traffic. Now again, in addition to YouTube, Pinterest is another amazing platform to drive Constant Contact leads as an affiliate. Pinterest gets over 400 million monthly visitors, and over 50 million people there are actively searching for and discovering new products every single day. It's the #1 social media platform for generating referral traffic. You can tap into this highly engaged audience by creating pins related to small business email marketing. So for example, email marketing tips or types of email campaigns, email automation guides, and helpful educational pins like this will attract your ideal audience. You can link to your affiliate URL in each pinned description. And visual content performs extremely well on Pinterest, leading to high engagement and traffic. Between YouTube and Pinterest, you have two proven platforms to start driving targeted leads immediately as a constant contact affiliate. Now, some additional tips to boost your commissions as an affiliate is to create an affiliate website to complement your videos and the pins. This establishes you as an authority and gives people a place to land. Make sure your affiliate link is easily accessible, don't make it hard for people to actually find it. And promote across multiple channels beyond just YouTube and Pinterest. So consider Facebook, Instagram, solo ads, and more to diversify the traffic. Don't just focus on the free trial signups, really target and convert the high quality leads who will pay for an account. And finally, build an audience over time. Long-term organic growth will generate far more commissions than short bursts. And there you have it. Thank you so much for watching our video. I hope that you found today's video to be helpful or informative to watch. If it was, let us know by giving it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel so you don't miss out on any similar videos that we make in the future.